I'm at Smith Berry Barn today, and it's berry season, but it's always berry season here, Joelle.
It feels like it sometimes, you bet.
And you know, sometimes we have berries and then we need to do something else with them because we can't eat them fresh as they're right there.
Exactly.
And so maybe you have something that we can do with those extras?
So today we're going to talk about jam making. We're not going to actually make some jam, which we've done with you in the past, but because we're into our blackberry and blueberry season right now, we think that's a great way to use up your extras. So one of the things we like to talk about, we've used it here before, is the Pomona's pectin. This is a citrus-based pectin that allows you to make your jam without using the normal amount of sugar.
Nice.
Yeah, so you can use sugar substitute, you can use honey, you can use no sugar at all. Wow. It's a great product. So we love that. We also then have all of the supplies that you need to make the jam itself. So we have a hot water bath canner here. This is a great canner for using on a glass stovetop or an induction stovetop, which is sometimes difficult if you have that kind of a stove.
Yeah, right.
So we have that, and then we have our food mill that we like, especially during blackberry season. Our Triple Crown blackberries right now are excellent. They're a beautiful big berry, but they do have some seeds in them. So today we opted to make our jam without the seeds, and so we're using the food mill for that. We also have all of the canning to make your canning easier. You really want to be prepared when you're canning. You want to get all of your supplies ready beforehand, make it a smooth process. So we have our different funnels. We have a standard regular mouth funnel. We have the wide mouth funnel. We have a ladle that is a easy pour ladle that helps you to pour the jam into the jar without making a mess. We have my favorite little tool here are the tongs that help you with picking out your lids out of the jar.
No burning of fingers.
Exactly. And then we have our can lifter or jar lifter, so that helps you get the hot jars out of the canner without burning yourself.
Joelle, I see that you have all these pieces separately, but you have a canning set too.
We do. So if you're just getting started with canning, this has all of the parts that you need. It makes it really quick and easy to get started.
That is
We also have various different jars. We have different decorative pieces for finishing your jars.
Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Because we love to share and give them as gifts.
Exactly.
And then you want to label them, and even for your own self, you want to have the labels so that you know when you made it.
Right. So we have the labels for that as well, all different kinds.
That is so great. And you know, we do have had in the past, we've done so many things with you on just different preserving and making jams and jellies. And you can go to the Garden Time website and we'll have those links for those archives so that you can see the process. But we never have enough time to talk about all these pieces and the supplies. And really, they're in your store, and people can help if there's any questions.
Exactly. We're always happy to help and answer questions.
You know, I love the idea of homemade jam, but sometimes I'm just too busy. So can you help me out with that?
Oh, I sure can. So we have all of our jams in our store. This happens to be our Triple Crown jam, which is what we've been talking about today, made with our own fresh berries. So, of course, it's delicious.
Oh, definitely. So when you come out to Smith Berry Barn, you know, it is about the fruit. You want to get all that fresh, delicious fruit. But if you want to go one step further with preserving and get all these jam supplies and make some jam for your family to really enjoy the rest of the season. Joelle, thanks so much.
Thank you.